Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have 2s ds dv, we have sin s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equal to negative cosine s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So because we have another negative sign here, negative with the negative, we have positive. And now we have the integration. So I will put number 2 go outside. Now we need to use about integration by parts again. So I will put about u equals to s. So we do first the derivative, we have ds dv, we have cosine s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equal to sin s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration that is about sin s ds. So the integration of negative sin s, we have positive cosine s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.